Welcome back, everyone. I randomly have this Wii box here. Now, funny enough, this is like my childhood Wii box from a while ago, from I think like 10 years ago, probably even more than that. It was like a Walmart special that I had like for like $100, and I actually ended up getting one, which was awesome. Now I already took the Wii out of here like when I bought it, but I am curious to see what else is in here. So I just want to take like a couple seconds to unbox it. Now within the box there are these flaps on the side, and this was actually the new Super Mario Bros. Model that actually had the black Wii that did not have backwards compatibility for GameCube games, which kind of sucked to be honest. So it did have these flaps on the side right here. And taking this thing up, I realized that it did have kind of like the similar thing to what I saw on a different console not too long ago. So here we go. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is where the Wii was, so I can go and take this part out. But there's still a lot of stuff in here, surprisingly. So now, taking all these things out, we can see a bunch of random stuff. There's nothing else in this box. Now, within the inside of this box that hasn't been opened since like 2009, you can see probably just a bunch of plastic. This is where that Wii remote would have been. And then right here, I guess, I don't even know what this is. I guess it's a... So it's a great offer for Nintendo Power. I guess it's like a magazine they had. I mean, I'm sure I would have done it at that time. I wonder if this website's still up. And then we could have gotten a free warranty extension. I wish I did that at that time, but there's no point talking about it anymore. And that's really pretty much it in this box. Now within this box, surprisingly, this thing is so heavy. I think there's like a manual still in here. And you can see just a bunch of plastic. Nothing in here, I don't think. As you can see, that probably was the power cable. And then right in here is like a bunch of stuff. So nothing else in here. So putting this aside, you can see, I guess Netflix and Nintendo had some type of thing, unlimited TV's 1 month free trial. Surprisingly, I don't know when I bought this again. I think it was more than 10 years ago. But this thing is still actually, the Netflix logo is still pretty much the same. So that's that important safety information. I guess we had just this stuff. Quick installation. I don't even know what that's going to say. I guess we had this new Super Mario Bros. Wii, I guess, whatever this is. I guess like a little pamphlet they had at that time of just a specific game, which is pretty cool. I mean, this game was freaking awesome. We then had the Wii Operations Manual. Very strange way to put. I also know that there's a bunch of other devices that have huge manuals, but this thing is crazy big. And there's another manual underneath it. I don't even know what this is. So it's another Wii Operations Manual, which is bigger than the other one. I've never seen these before. I don't even remember these things. So this is system setup, and this is channels and settings. I don't ever understand how much paper they wasted for this thing, but as you guys can see, pretty much the standard, layout of everything. I mean, this is pretty crazy stuff. I'm like so inspired by it. And then within here, I guess is the same thing, but just kind of different, if you guys will. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, just standard stuff. I mean, this is so insane. And it's funny because as soon as I saw this, I pretty much thought to myself that these were like mods or something like that, like some custom games that were made for this thing, but I guess not. It's just the old Super Mario games that they just threw in here. But that's really pretty much it. I mean, that's all that's left in the box. So all that's missing is the actual Wii and the Wiimotes and stuff. But I mean, this is pretty insane. I mean, like I said, this box has been in storage for like years and years, and I just like saw it and I was like, I have to unbox it, at least for the second channel. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. Send me so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.